This product that I found on Aliexpress and I paid $16 is pretty useful. And what is it? It's a solar irrigation system for garden, balcony, automatic drip irrigation system, DIY garden watering system, drip hose irrigation. This thing is beautiful and, as I said, useful for your garden. I ordered it and I got it. They pack without bubbles. Okay. The box is a little bit beaten. Never mind, just to be everything okay inside. We have the instruction manuals. Alright. There's some blue things. Okay. Some screws, a filter, and a hose. Okay. Bubbles. Can you imagine, after so long time I got bubbles? Oh, ooh. Nice solar panel, small. It seems to me like beautiful gadget. On the bottom we have the in and out for inserting the hose. Probably inside there is a water pump, and from the side we have the display and two push buttons. Let's see what it says in description. If you love your garden, this gadget is just for you. Believe me, this thing is doing a big job. It says that have 1500 milliamperes battery, automatic timing, waterproof, water saving and environmental protection. Okay, watering time from 1 to 30 minutes you can choose and adjust, and interval time 3, 6, 12 to 7 days you can set it. Okay, suitable for indoor and outdoor. Two types of installation: hang on the wall or flat on the ground. Traveling without worry. Yes, when you travel you need this thing so your plants to be watered at time. Alright. In the package you will get 10 meters of water hose, 10 irrigation drippers, okay, 10 tea hats, those. You will get one anti-siphon and one filter and two screws for the kit. It takes only 10 minutes to DIY install. That it says in description. I figured out that this thing is completely waterproof. There is no screws, you can't open this. Maybe that is good. Okay. On side we have two buttons and a display. When you hold this button, can you hear it? The pump is working. And from just to, you can choose on 1 day, 2 days, 4 days, 6, 7 days, 3 hours, every 6 hours, every 12, every day to water your plants. And take a look, and just to, you can set the watering time. Nope. Oh, by pressing the on-off button you can choose the watering time between 1 minute and 30 minutes. I'm gonna hold it. Oh, I turn it off, and now I'm gonna go to only 1 minute. Okay, with the first button you turn it on and off, and also set the watering time between 1 minute and 30 minutes, and with the second push button you can choose the interval time between how much? Between the lowest point is 3 hours and the maximum is 7 days. Beautiful. I'm gonna turn it off. And also I need to mention this. These blue things are the drippers. Believe it or not. Let me explain. When you place into the hose, right here it have a small channel where the water travel and go right here and go into the soil. That is beautiful. Like this. Alright. I need to install everything, and I'm gonna show you how it works. Oh, the installation. Here it is. The watering system, the filter that it goes to the water tank, the hoses with the drippers. It's not tough, and it's not very complicated to install. So you can see that the solar powered watering system, I hang out right here, and the filter go into the tank. Right now, just to show you how it works, I'm gonna use this small tank, but you need bigger one. Okay. And now the drippers go into the plants. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, everything is set up. I'm gonna hold the button and take a look. Okay, now it's good. I have a leakage, but I fix it right away, and it's working. Let me show you. Can you see it? Look. Every pond, every plant gets a water now. Beautiful. The solar watering system with the pump is doing a great job. And we have a halfway empty tank. The timer is set on 2 minutes for every day, but you can change that. Just to prove you, take a look. Beautiful. On the display you can see that the timer is working still. I'm gonna wait to turn it off automatically. And yes, it shows 1 day till tomorrow. And now should we turn it off? Beautiful. I love this system. The link will be in description below so you can check it and maybe order it for your plants. Alright. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!